morning. We'll be going over minute 54. Let's look at the first one. For numbers 1 through 5, use the information in the box about suffixes to write the word that best completes each sentence. Hint: a suffix changes the meaning of a word by adding a group of letters to the end of the word. If we look at the first one, full. Both of those mean one who, or a person who is full of. Singer, a person who sings. Painful, full of pain. The teacher said that Johnny is a good helpful or helper. Helper. Miguel's mean words were hurter or hurtful to me. Hurtful. Tanya is the best playful or player on the team. Player. The teacher thinks Holly is a helpful or helper student. Helpful. The monkeys at the zoo are playful or player all day. Playful. Numbers 6 through 10, underline the word that ends with a suffix in each sentence and then write its meaning on the line. Diego was a famous painter, and it's one who paints. The walls are bright and colorful. Colorful. Full of color. Everyone was cheerful at the party. Cheerful. Full of cheer. Omar wants to be a teacher. Teacher. One who teaches. Ben is hopeful about his grades. Hopeful. Full of hope. Good job checking the front. Now let's please look at minute 54 on the back. This will be our math portion for today. Susan buys a box of crayons for $1.50. She gives the clerk $2. How much change should she receive? Well, you may know that 50 cents is what she is missing, and so you can automatically put that in there. If not, you're going to take $2 and you're going to subtract $1.50. Make sure that your decimals line up. 0 minus 0, 0. If I have 0, I can't take 5 away, so the 2 becomes a 1, and the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Bring down my decimal. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We just count by 5s 8 times. Oops, I'm sorry. 40. 1 minus 3. Can't take 1 from 3, so I'm going to make a 7, a 6, and the 1, 11. 11, 10, 9, 8. If I have 6 of something, I can't take 8 from it. So I borrow from the 9. 9 becomes an 8. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. The volume of this shape is 12 cubic centimeters. Well, let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes in the front. And since there are 2 rows of it, that means I have 6 cubes in the back, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is true. I can also do this as a multiplication problem. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Either way works. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Anything divided by that is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. 5 divided by 34. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I can't go to 35, so that would be 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 34 minus 30 is 4, so it's with a remainder of 4. There are 4 left over. Which number is the dividend? 36 is the dividend. 140 rounds to I look at the hundreds. I go to look at the 4. The 4 is not 5 and above, so it goes back to 100. 180 rounds in hundreds. I look at the hundred spot, and then I look at the 8. The 8 is 5 or more, so this goes up to 200. Thank you for making your corrections on here. And please put your paper in your cubby. Go to Lexia Core 5.